Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can add YouTube to your iPhone home screen very easily. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes, write comments under this video. And you and I are going to get started. And now I'm going to show you everything step by step. So, first of all, friends, you'll need to find a page with an empty space on your iPhone's work screen. And then you're gonna have to tap on the empty space, so that all the apps that you have on your iPhone will shake a little bit like this. This means that now you can go to the settings. Next, you'll need to click Edit on the top left. After that, select the first option, Add Widget. And now the fastest way to find the YouTube widget will be to type the word YouTube into the search box. Next, click on this app. And here you will see several options of how your future YouTube widget can look like on your home screen. After you choose what you are more comfortable with, there is a widget, as you can see, with access to multiple features at once and a simpler YouTube widget. You choose the one you're more comfortable with, and then at the bottom you click Add Widget. And as you can see, it will now be added. You can grab it just like that, drag it to the location you want it. After that, to save the change, just click on the empty field. It's like this. Now the YouTube widget will be on your home screen, and it will be easier for you to find this app and navigate to it. This is how you can quickly and easily add YouTube to the home screen on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and comment. Bye-bye, friends.